even before you start any problem involving logarithms, you've got to check to see, is there a way to simplify the equation somehow using these properties? That is the first question you must ask. Whatever properties that I'm going to write will hold true for any base, maybe 22, E, 10, 37, doesn't matter. So I'm going to arbitrarily pick a base, B. Good. First property. Log base B, some value X plus log base B, some value Y is always equal to log base B X times Y. You give me a number between 2 and 19. Between 2 and 19. Great. A real number between 2 and 19. 5. Okay, that is a real number. One with decimal. 5.5. 5.5. Okay, 5.5. I'm going to give you a base. Also, let's keep this simple because we're trying to understand this property. Base E. In other words, that equation would simply turn to Ln. This is what I want you to do. So log base E is Ln. So plug in 3, plug in 5.5 separately, add up. So complete the left-hand side. Then log base E, Ln. Put in 3 times 5.5, which is 15.5. See if you get the same answer. If you don't, my life will be meaningless. In your calculator, log base is nothing but Ln, so you can just use Ln. What do you get over here? Ln of 3 plus Ln of 5.5. Waiting. Come in.
2.803.
2.803. It is going to be 2.803 over there. Also. Yes? Okay. You can verify the other property. Any thoughts? You have to take a guess. What was that equal to? Plus simply became minus.
Yes, I would assume it'd be X over Y.
Very good. It's a great guess. So log for some base X divided by Y. One other property. Parentheses, important. If you have some term and you have X raised Y, the rule simply states you can move that Y from the power and put it outside. Good. So this is simply equal to Y times log base B X. I strongly recommend that when you go back home, put in these values and see if the left-hand side matches the right-hand side. It will hold true for base E base 10, base 57, doesn't matter. The answer or the properties will hold true. Are we clear? You cannot forget these. Anytime you see a logarithmic equation, first thing to do is to check if you can apply the property. Good? Okay. We can use these properties to solve logarithmic equations, which when you first start might look very complicated. But if you use the properties, things will be easier.